how to add video as your TikTok profile picture. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a video to your TikTok profile picture. So let's get towards it. First of all, the very first thing we are going to do is to tap or open the TikTok application, where I'm going to tap on edit profile. After getting on the screen of edit profile, there are two options on the very upper side of the screen that are change photo or change a video. We are going to click or tap on the change video option. After doing that, so that all videos page would refer us to the gallery indirectly. So in this, I have to choose one video that I want it to act as a profile picture. When I've chosen this one, I have to select at least 6 seconds video. So I would select this portion of my video while keeping this thing in mind. The video you are choosing should be a 3:4 size. So I have selected this. I would tap on the save button. Now I would see that it has been uploaded on my profile picture. So when I move back and open my profile, it has been done. So this was it everybody. Make sure you give a thumbs up to the video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Till next time.